Welcome to today's video where we will delve into a fascinating problem related to a piece of code that seems to be causing some unexpected behavior in a JavaScript application. The problem lies in the continuous growth of the heap memory, and we will uncover the root cause behind this issue. Let's jump right into it. The solution provided sheds some light on the matter. By enabling AsyncLocalStorage and running a loop that creates a new promise on each iteration, we inadvertently create a chaining effect that leads to memory not being properly cleaned up by the garbage collector. This results in a heap memory that grows uncontrollably. The code snippet in question demonstrates this behavior clearly, raising the question of why these contexts are being chained despite the promises being resolved before the next one is created. Moving on to a different aspect of the solution, we see the implementation of a set interval-based approach that effectively waits for the processing code to finish before running it again. By utilizing a driver function that triggers the pooling mechanism, we ensure that the heap memory remains stable without experiencing the continuous growth observed in the original code. This approach provides a practical workaround to the memory issue at hand. Furthermore, the solution introduces an asynchronous pollQ function that manages the polling process by setting a flag to indicate when a process is active, handling any errors that may occur, and finally resetting the flag once the process is complete. This structured approach to handling asynchronous operations ensures that memory resources are managed effectively, preventing the heap from expanding indefinitely. In summary, we have explored the intricate details of a memory-related problem in a JavaScript application and uncovered various solutions to address the issue at hand. By understanding the underlying mechanisms at play and implementing targeted strategies, we can effectively manage memory resources and prevent issues such as heap growth. Thanks for watching, and remember to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Until next time,